In the last video, we covered how to differentiate activities. In this video, we'll cover differentiating the course syllabus. Instead of creating one activity and altering it for different student groups, you can make different versions of the activity and use Echo's show and hide functions to adjust which activities are visible to each group of students. Let's say there are two folders with resources to support an upcoming assignment. One has video and audio resources for students who need or prefer that medium, and one has more advanced articles. We only want students who need each types of these resources to see the folders that have them, and not have access to the others, while also not knowing that each student in the class has access to different options. Once the two folders are created, head over to the Group Settings tab. Under the Grouping filter, choose the groups that need the visibility adjusted. Under the Folder filter, select the folder that holds the resource folders if needed. Once the folders appear, the visibility can be adjusted based on group. Now that we know how to adjust the course syllabus using the Group Settings Visibility feature, let's take a look at what this looks like from the student perspective. This is a student that has access to the more advanced folder of articles. They can see the assignment that is to be supported by the resources, and they can only see the folder with the more advanced articles. This is a student that has access to the folder with the video and audio resources. They can see the assignment that is to be supported by the resources and can only see the folder with the video and audio resources. Another option for teachers is, if you want to be able to link these differentiated items to your agenda, you can put them in a folder. Then you can link that folder to your agenda. When students click on the link to the folder, they will only be able to see the items that you want visible to them based on how you adjusted the visibility under Group Settings. Now that we know how to use group settings to adjust visibility of the course syllabus, let's explore a few more examples of when you might use it. If you have a version of an assignment that has extended due dates for students that need more time, if you have extra assignments that students must do to get honors credit, if you have extra resources for ELL students, if you have a version of an assignment for below, on target, or advanced readers. These are just a few examples to get your wheels turning. Take some time now to think about how you might use the group settings feature to differentiate your course syllabus.